So there was a dude at the crash course, really like kept sabotaging everything. I could tell from his questions that he was trying to fail. And his energy was negative. And when I'm backstage, I'm often signing deals, by the way. So I'm like backstage just before I'm just signing deals, before I come on stage. I was about to sign a lease option agreement, no money down, £800 a month, no money down, perfect lease option agreement. Brilliant deal. And I was about to sign it, and I just had this very strange urge, I don't know if it was from God or just I don't know what, but to not sign the deal, but to let this negative person who was at my event with his arms crossed, let have this free house. And I just thought, yeah, I'm going to let Phil. And I asked Ryan, actually, I said to Ryan, go and talk to him and give him this house. And they took him backstage and said, hey, Samuel's got this deal, it's a lease option agreement, it's no money down, here's the contract. And Samuel said he wants to give it to you. And he was just like, why me, all this? And I came in, I was like, dude, I just want to give it to you as a gift, it's all good, no strings attached. And anyway, was like, listen, I want to do it, you know, that's really kind of you, but let me just think it over and let me just read over the contract. I was like, fair enough. I said, that's no problem. I said, go read over the contract and I'll see you at the next break in a couple of hours. Ryan will speak to you. A couple of hours later, he comes back. I'm like, did you understand the contract? He's like, yeah, I understand the contract. I said, great. I gave him a pen and he was just there going, and I kept repeating myself over and over and over again. Everything's paid for, the contract's been paid for, there's no down payment, it's a free house, there's a 3-month break clause, so after 3 months, if it's not working, you can walk away, and the profit's going to be £800 a month. And he's just like, He says, look, I'm definitely going to do it, but look, obviously it's a big decision, can you just give me till dinner? I was like, all right, whatever, I'll see you at dinner. Comes back at dinner, goes backstage with Ryan. Russell's around as well. Russell's CEO, Russell, my brother, CEO of the company. Most straight line, direct, honest, integrity-driven person you ever meet. Russell's there. Russell is like to feel, no, it's all good. We got you, man. He's like, okay. Goes off, comes back at dinner time. Chats to Russell, chats to Ryan. He's in there like an hour and a half. Comes back out. I'm on stage at this point. Comes back out, and I see come in and sit back at the back, and I look at Russell, and I look at Ryan, and they look at me, and I'm like, good, and they just go. I go over to what's happened? What's going on? He says, yeah, I'm going to do it, I'm really excited, it's all great. I'm like, why did you sign it? I didn't sign it because the thing is, I have this rule. He said, I have this rule, which is, before I make any business decision, I have to have a face-to-face meeting with my wife. I was like, okay. I said, do you want to call her now? Do you want me to speak to her? No, it's all good. I've spoke to her, she knows everything, but I just want to have a face-to-face with my wife. I said, okay. I said, come with me. I took him backstage, and I kicked his, no, I didn't kick his ass. I took him backstage, and I got the contract, and I got the pen, and I signed it. And he looked like robbed. You know, he was like, like as if I'd now just stolen from him. I said, this is why you're broke, and this is why you'll always be broke. So I said, to be honest, with respect, I'd probably leave the crash course at this point, because until you sort this out, you're never going to be successful anyway, and you're wasting your time, and you're wasting my time. Off you go.
Give me the contract.
Give me the contract. I'm sure you would. How many of you guys would sign it? Raise your hand and say, aye. All right, we'll see.